What is data? Data is a collection of raw facts and figures that by themselves may not have any meaning. In ICT, information and communication technology, data is the starting point for any computer system to process and produce useful output. Simple definition: data is raw, unprocessed facts. Examples of raw data: numbers, text, date, sensor reading, survey response, exam scores, etc. Why is data important in ICT? 1. Input for systems. Data is the input used by computers and apps to perform tasks. 2. Helps decision-making. Businesses and users analyze data to make better decisions. 3. Enables automation. Machines and systems use data to perform smart actions. 4. Communication. Data is the base of emails, messages, video calls, and files shared online. Summary: understanding data. Definition of data: 1. Raw facts and figures without context. 2. Can be numbers, words, measurements, or observations. Types of data: 1. Qualitative, categorical descriptive data, example colors, names. 2. Quantitative, numerical measurable data, example height, age. Sources of data: surveys, sensors, transactions, social media, online forums, etc. Data formats: 1. Structured, example spreadsheets, databases. 2. Unstructured, example videos, images, text documents. 3. Semi-structured, example XML, JSON. Importance of data: 1. Helps in decision-making and planning. 2. Drives innovation and business insights. 3. Supports research and analysis. Data lifecycle: 1. Collection. 2. Storage. 3. Processing. 4. Analysis. 5. Visualization. 6. Interpretation. Future of data: 1. AI and machine learning are transforming how data is used. 2. Data is often called the new oil due to its high value.